In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok Shop not appearing on TikTok profile. If you're trying to sell on TikTok but don't see the shop section on your profile, the most common reason is that your account isn't set up for selling yet. I'll walk you through the exact flow and explain what each step does so you know you're on the right track. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're signed into the account you want to use for selling. Using the correct account matters because shop access and verification are tied to a specific profile. Next, go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. This is where TikTok adds new tabs, so once everything is set up later, this is where the shop tab should eventually appear. From your profile, tap the three bars in the top right. That opens your main settings and tools menu, which is where TikTok keeps all creator and business features. In that menu, tap TikTok Studio. This is TikTok's hub for creators and businesses, and it's where you can find tools related to content, analytics, and commercial features. Inside TikTok Studio, look for TikTok, Shop for Seller. Tap it. If you haven't created a seller account yet, you'll be prompted to sign up for your store. Follow the on-screen steps carefully. You'll need to enter your basic business details and submit required documents for verification. Keep your information accurate and consistent with your official records. Typical documents include identification and business verification files, depending on your region and business type. Make sure everything is clear and up to date, as incomplete or mismatched details can delay approval. Once you've submitted your information, finish the setup. Your store may need time to be reviewed. Approval times vary, and the shop tab usually appears only after your seller account is successfully verified and linked. When that's done, go back to your account settings and switch your TikTok profile to a business account. From the settings menu, open Account and choose Switch to Business Account. This change enables business features on your profile and helps TikTok recognize that your account is intended for commercial use. Select the category that best fits what you plan to sell. This won't affect your content, but it unlocks tools that support selling and promotions. After switching to a business account and completing your seller sign-up, give the system a little time. The Shop tab should appear on your profile once verification is complete and the feature is available in your region. If you followed these steps, you've set up everything TikTok needs to show your shop.